What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the BMSpeedstars channel and thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is my S13. As you can see, it looks pretty rickety. We got this big box right here and we're gonna check out what the hell is in it. Alright guys, so in this box right here, which I bought from Amazon for $448, is a full body kit. Yes, that's right. I bought this from Amazon and it was $448. Why did I buy it from Amazon? Why wouldn't I buy it from Amazon? Amazon has literally everything. A lot of people are gonna say, it's fake arrow, whatever. I understand that companies out there work hard for their designs and things like that, and I completely honor that. But I completely also understand the side of things where you buy a cheap arrow kit just to kind of thrash it, and I don't see what the problem with that is. So we're gonna see what is in this box. First things first, look how nicely wrapped this is. Air stuff.
Bubble wrap?
There should be 2 bumpers in here, but I feel like I only see 1. So, got side skirts. Fuck it, just pull the whole thing out. I'm gonna hand this over to Dan. Farmer Dan here drives a 350Z and he fucking shreds. And lastly, we have a rear bumper, which looks pretty nice.
I don't think it goes there.
Okay, so let's lay this stuff out. I guess let's start with the front bumper. Obviously, since it's already off. It looks really nice, but looks are just... Okay, I can vibe with this.
I feel like I should help.
Okay, save your energy, yo. You always do the work.
You're right.
This is actually something that I can help with, and I'm probably gonna ask for your help later on. Okay, off of first glance, this shit looks cheap as hell, and it's already kind of broken in some places. Like... no cracks or anything, but this is what we got. We will be removing the chicken wire. I do not like the chicken wire, but it looks not bad, to be honest.
You showered today?
Yeah, I did. I wonder if it's gonna clear this shit.
I don't. Maybe. I don't know.
No, I don't think. Maybe.
I mean, that's just a little snippety snip away. Oh, dude, it's in the headlight. Alright, so we ran into our first issue here. Can you move over to the left a little bit?
This is so wide on one side.
And what do we do with that? Like this part.
Trim.
So we gotta trim that. Ooh. What's it hitting exactly? With full knowledge that this kit wasn't going to fit right, we're going to hopefully try to make it fit a little bit better with these Auto Collect Storm bumper guides. And shout out to Faction Motorsports for supplying us with these. They have tons of cool stuff. Check out their website and they're super dope people. I actually haven't even tried to mock this up yet, but to my knowledge, what the idea of this is that you are to bolt this up right here to your existing hole, so you didn't have to drill anything. Bolt this up right here. You really can't mess this up, hopefully. And what you're going to have to do is tap these 2 screws into that little fender brace. What this is going to do is it's going to kind of conform the bumper guide to line up with the top of your fender. And what the bumper is supposed to do is it's just supposed to sit in this little crevice, eliminating that notorious gap that you get with all aftermarket arrow. 0 to 100 real quick. We're gonna start trimming some stuff. We noticed that it's rubbing right here. It's rubbing right here. And these also have to get trimmed.
I mean, I'd cut it and then just bend the lip.
We'll get there. We'll talk about that when we get to that point.
Wondering
Alright, let's see how massive this gap between the hood and the bumper is going to be.
It's really not that bad.
It's actually a lot smaller than I had before. That looks not bad.
Yeah.
That's where the Storm Collect guides are going to bend it up. Alright guys, so I'm going to quickly show you the concept of these fucking Storm Auto Collect guides. You need this? Undo this 10 mil here. I'm surprised that didn't even snap. Here's your Storm Auto Collect guide, and you're going to take this mounting hole right here. It's going to serve as your anchor. You're going to want to, and there's something blocking it in there. You're going to want to line that up here. So. Now this is going to allow you to now self-tap this. Danny loves self-tappers. Dan made a good recommendation. We're gonna fit the bumper on a little bit and then self-tap it. Because this right here, it is notched, so you can move it up and down. So we'll do that. That is some fine craftsmanship right there. Okay, so after like a few hours of Chris and Danny working the crap out of this thing, this is what we got. It doesn't look bad at all.
It actually came out better than I expected.
Dude.
Oh, look at the rear. There's no gap.
Dude.
I mean, there's a little bit here, but that's...
Yeah, but that's alright. Dude, $400 body kit. You cannot get any...
Weight reduction.
Squat, squat.
Oof, 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 oof. Yeah, 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 yeah.
No, fuck, I just leave it no bumper, yo.
I always thought that it was kind of weird that it has like those X's on it and stuff.
Hey, you get that sound?
How's it gonna look? How's it gonna fit? How's it gonna fit? How's it gonna fit?
More, 3/4.
Alright guys, so we kind of ran into a snag here. Of course, because everything was going way too smoothly. But I think the boys have come up with a solution here. The issue we're having is that this top part of the aftermarket bumper is a little too wide and it's not bending and conforming to the shape of the like back of the car. So, what these boys proposed was to literally
Chop it.
cut it right here all along and follow this body line, which is this part of the bumper, so that we still have this bottom piece, and it should just not bolt right up, but it should
be able to
hypothetically sit right on that
I mean,
bumper.
regardless, this bumper's shy. It's not going on if we leave it as is.
Yeah, we can't use this one. I was gonna repair this tomorrow, but
It's so fucking like out of whack. There's no point. We might as well just try this.
yeah, we got nothing to lose. Honestly, I think it's gonna come out better regardless because we could just self-tap the shit out of it onto the bumper.
Yeah.
But this is the first I've heard of even going about this issue like this. I think it's a great way to do it, and I think it's going to work. I definitely think it's going to work, actually. And it's a great idea because the OEM bumper is going to obviously fit. It's just a matter of if this bottom part is going to sit on the OEM bumper without any issues. Here's after trimming, second round of trimming.
Hey guys. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.
Welcome
shit.
to my ASMR.
Let me know in the comments, do you like these skirts? Or do you like the flat type without a vent. What is going on, everyone? It is a new day. I'm still kind of half asleep here, but we got a lot to do today and not that much time. But after all of the boys' efforts last night, this is what we got. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We're gonna start with the front. So Chris and Danny were able to get these lines freaking spot on. Like, the only thing that we could complain about is that there's this weird gap right here. That I don't know how we can possibly correct, because we are running like a little bracket back here. It's just the bumper itself, I think, is just bowed in. Maybe there's a fix for that, heat it up, push it up a little bit, but it's not really too noticeable. The side skirts, I think I like these straight ones better, but the rear end is something kind of special, I think. So, as you saw last night, none of this stuff fit. This is actually the bumper, but we cut it along that body line, cut it right here. It's actually mounted in 1 and 2 and the other sides. It made it so that we were able to use this because this top part that came on the aftermarket bumper was completely unusable. It was too wide, and it was causing the bumper to do this like bowed effect. But I think it's pretty awesome. I gotta run around today and grab a lot of stuff to paint this thing by the end of the day. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get footage of me painting the thing, but I'm sure you guys know what to do. The basic sand, primer, paint, clear procedure. So I'm gonna run around, run some errands, and then we'll be back to paint this thing. So this is what I got from the store. Here's my primer that I'm gonna use. It's TransStar black primer. I went with black because on a black car, I think it's just, this is just how you're gonna get the richest, deepest black color, is black primer. Base coat is just some random duplicate color stuff that I bought from AutoZone because I had a gift card. Yeah, I don't know how well this is. If there was a weak point in this entire paint job and in this entire process, it's this paint. But I've used this before on this car and it matched up pretty well. But this is the most important part right here. This here is 2K clear coat. This is how you're gonna get that shine, that real shine, that shine. Because it's got like a hardener in here that you pop into here, and it's all got all that kind of stuff. This stuff's really dangerous though. You gotta park everything like from within like a 2-mile radius away from wherever you're spraying this, because it produces quite a fair amount of overspray. But without further ado, let's just get to work. I'll maybe like throw some clips here and there of me working on the thing, but for the most part, I'm just gonna try to focus on this and put in my maximum effort, because you guys have seen me paint on the channel. It doesn't always come out good, but I want this to come out well, so I want to try to focus on that. But let's do it. What is going on, everyone? This is another day, a brand new day. We finished the body kit, as you can see behind me. We'll take a quick look at it right now. So at the end of the day, the final cost for this whole body kit, $200-something worth of paint, $448 for the body kit. It's well under $1,000, which is the price of, like, you know, original Aero. But again, completely agree with people who do like going that route. But then again, let me know what you think in the comments. $448. It did, however, take a lot of love in this department. This took some love, this took some massaging. At the end of the day, it's really how creative and how much work you want to put into it, because it's really going to be, you can't expect to get a perfect product for $448 when the real thing costs $1,000. And I'm just spitballing a random number, 1,000. This wasn't a exactly direct fit. We cut that, which in my opinion looks fantastic. So that's it. If you're considering buying one of these kits, I don't know, maybe it's something to consider if you're looking for some budget-friendly type of options for your bumpers and side skirts and whatnot. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, check out our Instagram at BMSpeedstars. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.